Hello guys! Welcome back guys. So ngayon guys, mag-haul tayo. Actually, marami akong videos nung holiday namin sa Poland. Pero wala pa akong time mag-edit. Kaya ito lang muna. Nandito na kami ulit sa UK. But later on, I will upload pag may time na ako mag-edit. Or hindi ko lang i-edit siguro. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo, di ba? So yan yung hopefully I can do it this week. Anyway, mag-start na ako dun sa kabila kong channel para magamit ko na itong mga pinamili ko. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm very happy with my purchase. I have some items here from Tiki Maxx, from Bargains, Sainsbury's, and Primark. So actually I will start with the Tiki Maxx. It's because I'm really shocked with the prices. So this one is from Ralph Lauren, and this one is only, the original price of this is 255 pound, and then I just purchased it. Actually, it's not the original price, the RRP. So I don't know how much is the original price in Tiki Maxx, but I just purchased it 12 pound. But it looks nice. Actually, I don't need a backpack, but when I saw the price, Official Outfitters Polo. Yeah, so when I saw the price, I said, oh, let me buy it because it's just 12 pound. Yeah. Love 2023 Polo. Like that. I don't know. I'll think I'll just give it to someone if I don't use it. But maybe I use it again because I have two backpack here. So when you open it, the typical one, and then like that. Yeah, nothing special. But at least they have for a water bottle here. So yeah, just that one. The other side also. Okay, so this is 12 pound only. It's a bargain. Then there's another one. This bag, I'm not planning to buy. I'm not planning to buy, but purchase it. You know why? You know, can you guess how much is this bag? It's from Berkshire, and you can do like that if you want to. Yeah, or you can remove it. And then yeah, when you open it, it's just like this. But I didn't need this, and I don't want to buy this until I saw the price. The price is 6 pound. So for 6 pound, I'm thinking I can use this for laptop or something, or I can give it to someone. And then this one, like that, the design, you can just actually get it if you don't want, just like that. You don't want, you know, just for 6 pound guys, it's very cheap. Yeah, so I need to give it to someone. So anyway, for Christmas, you know. And next is in, oh, this one in Sports Direct. I went there to buy football shoes for my son, and I found it, the one that I needed, because in JD Sport they don't have the so many choices, but in Sports Direct they have really nice football shoes. This one is 36.99, and I know it's 30 now. Sell 30 pound. I bought something else, that's why it becomes 60 something my total. And this is what my son chose for his football, because he have a football shoes which is small already, so he needs to buy a new one. And this one he preferred because of the color, black and red. He likes red so much. Yeah, so cute, and it's comfy because my son, I cannot buy football shoes alone. It's because my son's is very picky. Last time I purchased and then I need to return it. I didn't able to show you guys, but yeah, my son is ready now for football. He did his football training last time, and then he just wear the ordinary trainers like that. Next is outdoor made easy. So I I enrolled my son, or I put my son in some activities because it's summer break, and they're going to walk in the forest like that, or swimming and some other activities, outdoor activities. So they asked that the child will have like walking boots or something like that. So this one is waterproof. I hope this is what they need. So this is size 12 also, and it's comfy for my son because really my son is very hard, very picky. Yeah, looks like hard, but it's soft actually. It's soft, just looking hard. So yeah, so my son tried it already and he likes it, so it's good. And the price of this is £26.99 from £52.99. By the way, they have also in Sports Direct £20 football shoes, color green, and I wanted to buy it, but my son doesn't like it, but it's cheaper, so at least like £10 cheaper than this. And then I grabbed for him is it medium, this one? This is a shin pad. Oh, okay, medium, and it's only £10. Oh my god, they didn't remove this. Oh my god, they didn't remove. Oh no, how can I remove it? I need to come back. Oh, this is so bad. I need to come back there, and it didn't have any it didn't like make sounds or anything. Oh my god, how can I use it now? This is medium. I didn't expect actually also, maybe the teller didn't expect also that there's something. Oh god, guys, I don't want to come back there. Yeah, okay. Maybe I should. I don't know. Can you remove it? Can you remove it? Comment down below. Don't want to damage this one. I paid. I have a receipt, so I can just go back there and ask them to, this is size medium. Yeah, can just ask them to. Yeah, is it? Is it okay? I can ask them to just wait. Why it's not like the same? Oh, okay, like that. Is it? Okay. Okay. Oh no, like that. Yeah. So I'll just ask them to remove it, or comment down below, guys. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. I become speechless because I don't want to go back there. What can I do with this tag? It's like I steal it, but I have receipt, so it's okay. This is the this is in Tiki Maxx. The receipt is in my bag. Okay, next is in where's my okay, this one. Okay, this one. We have this from Home Bargains. This is actually, I opened this one. This is thickener for my garden, for my grass. Fast greening, fills thin areas, patches. Child and pet friendly. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Next is this one. And I need to try it if it's working. This is, yeah, just one actually, because I want to make sure I like it. And then also purchased this in Home Bargains. It's because I need this for my feet. I have like this and it become damaged. That's why I need to purchase another one. Actually, they have also the blade only, or head or something. This one, £1.25. So I think I will need to buy it soon also. It will really last long, so it's good. This is just $4.99. Yeah. Skin smoother. Okay, they have even extras. I forgot. So this one, I think there's no battery yet. Let's see if I can on it already. Yeah, we don't have battery yet. Okay, open. Okay, here. To open, what? Strange. Yeah, but I just need to put the battery. I didn't check it so fast. Anyway, guys, this is, I need to check it later. And then in Primark, I grabbed this pen. This is just $3.50. Actually, I purchased also some Hello Kitty notebook, but I gave it to someone already as a gift. And I already some coloring also from Primark. Just so this one remaining. And then okay, I need to keep my receipt. I always keep my receipts, guys. And then, oh no, this is where I bought it. And then this one in Primark, this is 3-pack, $3.50. I like notebook. Oh my god, my receipt is here. Okay, so this is $3.50, but this is 3 pieces. Yeah, so cute. And then what else? Is it only? I think I purchased some underwear also. It's not here. And then in Sainsbury's, this is 65 pence each. So I just purchased it just to try if it's good. Hopefully, need to put it outside to try it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, 65 each. Let me put it outside. And then I grabbed some uniform for my son. This one is only £6 for 6 years old. Yeah, just to be ready. He still have so many shorts and trousers here for school, but I always want to have extra, guys. So this is 6 years old, just white polo, just to be sure, just in case, you know, I don't have. Okay, let me keep all the receipt. I'm the person who keep the receipt. And then this is in Home Bargains. I purchased this Art Therapy Adult Coloring. Oh my god, it is even adult coloring. I don't know why they put it, but actually my son chose it, so okay, but it's just like that anyway. Yeah, it's nice. And I will give it to my son. And then this planner pad, BC, what is that? BC planning. I don't know, but it's just so cute. It's many also. That's why it's nice. And then wine bag. Just nothing. I just want to buy it to have extra. And then this fine liner pen. This is not a toy doll for me. Like that. Precise line. And then packing tape, because I need to pack something for somewhere. So this one, I'm still thinking about this, that I need to come back. I'm really thinking what to do. Why did I then remove? Okay. And then another ball pen. Yeah, I always purchase ball pen, guys. And then some wipes, handy wipes, because the wipes that I have is so big and sometimes I need wipes but I don't have in my bag. That's why I purchased this. Oh, magnifying glass. This one is for my son. It's because he wants to, you know, 6 years old, so it's good for him. And then he grabbed this. Actually, I saw it and then I called him if he likes this. And he likes it. Mixed bid. Look at that. It's so cute, guys. Yeah, I need to give it to my son so he can start something. It's not just for girls, for boys also. Then some clips and gloves, which is $79. And then I just realized that I should go. I will go to B&M tomorrow. So sometimes B&M have more cheaper one for like for gardening like that. So I don't know. I should not buy it. Because B&M have really many sale for sure, hopefully, when I go there tomorrow. That's it. No more. Yeah, that's the end of the whole... Oh, this is from Home Bargains. $29. Happy birthday. I just bought it just for... to have always some extra, you know. So yeah, guys, that's the end of our haul, guys. Next week I will receive my Zara haul. It's because Zara package. It's because they have so many sale again, guys. So I need to control myself because I still have so many clothes that I didn't wear. So yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye, guys. Bye. So yan, tapos na tayo, guys. So ang mangyayari nito, after kong mag-haul, maglilinis na ako. Yan. So, eto pala, nagpa-pursing pala ako sa H. Samuel kahapon. So, tingnan nyo. Very easy lang siya. Noon sa Pinas, nagpa-pursing ako. Ang tagal niya mag-heal, pero dito super bilis lang. Binayad ko is 34, but kasama na itong, eto siya na earrings na to. So, mas mura siya. I feel it. Kasi sa Pinas, guys, last days ko sa Pinas, yung sa mall kasi, sabi ng sister ko ha, I don't know if totoo. Sa mall kasi, parang yung dito lang yung kanilang, they will do. Here, they don't do it na. Or maybe they lie. Kasi yung gamit ng babae dito, the same lang. Parang gun lang din, pero dito. Tapos sabi niya, okay, ito kasi yung pinagawa ko before sa Pinas. Eto, matagal to yung bata pa ako. So, I'm thinking, mag-add dito. Ayaw ni Alex. Sabi niya, no need, mommy. So, here, I wanted to do pursing dito. Tapos, pwede naman. Bayad lang ako for the jewelry. Yan. Tignan nyo. Ito yung pinagawa ko. Meron pa silang liquid na ibinigay sa akin na kasama na siya. Oh my God, what is this? I don't like this bra. Bago ko itong bili. Hindi siya maganda kasi parang nag-ano siya. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi ko na ito gagamitin. So, that's the end, guys. Tapos, eto, nagpa-microbleeding din ako, diba? So, eto ngayon is yung retouch. Like, last Friday ko siya ginawa yung retouch. So, yan na siya. Mga pang 4 days na pala ito. So, yan. And then, yeah, ganun na lang. Tapos mag-gardening na ako. Ito lang talaga yung problema ko, guys. May resibo ako, kaya pwedeng bumalik doon. Pero, ang hassle lang. Ang hassle lang na bumalik. Paano ko ba to i-remove? Ang hirap kasi nito i-remove. Parang nagnakaw ka din, di ba? Balik na lang ako doon, tapos I will tell them. I will return it na lang din. Better kasi na-hassle din na ako. This is $9.99. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, maglilinis ako. Bye!